Hi, my name is Wendy Chen and I'm an application engineer at GEODNET. Welcome to the GEODNET Enterprise RTK Portal.
This portal is a web-based management tool that allows you to create RTK user accounts, control access, and monitor how those accounts are being used, all from one centralized platform. To access the Enterprise RTK portal, you must have login credentials provided by GEODNET. If you do not currently have credentials and would like to begin the process of gaining access, please email info@geodnet.com. Once your credentials are set up, log in using the username and password provided by GEODNET. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all user management and monitoring tools are available. This screen is the user management page. It displays a list of all RTK user accounts you have created. For each user, you can see key information such as whether the account is active, when it expires, and how many simultaneous connections are allowed. This overview helps you quickly understand who has access to the network and the current status of each account. To create a new RTK account, click the Create button. You will enter a username and password for your client, select how many connections they are allowed to use at the same time, and choose how long the account should remain active. You could select a preset duration, such as 30 days or 1 year, or set a custom expiration date based on your service agreement. Usernames and passwords are case sensitive. Once an account has been created, you can manage it at any time from the user management page. You can activate or deactivate access, extend the expiration date, or adjust the number of allowed connections, all without creating a new account. These controls allow you to quickly respond to customer needs and manage access in real time. This screen shows the RTK connection settings that your clients will enter into their GNSS equipment or software. When the mount point is set to auto, the system automatically selects the best available connection data based on the user's location. Clients connect using the server address rtk.geodnet.com and port 2101. With these settings, users can connect to the GEODNET network immediately, without manual configuration. This is the Logs page. It shows a detailed history of RTK connection activity for all user accounts. Each row represents a connection attempt. You can see which user connected, when the connection occurred, and when the connection was successful or interrupted. This information helps you confirm usage, troubleshoot connection issues, and answer customer questions about their service. You can filter the logs by username or by time range to quickly locate specific events or investigate reported issues. This screen allows you to manage your own enterprise account settings. From here, you can update your password, change your contact email address, and enable two-factor authentication for additional security. These options help ensure that access to the enterprise portal remains secure. This screen displays the GEODNET RTK coverage map. The map shows where RTK correction data is currently available around the world, helping you understand coverage and expected performance in different regions. This is especially useful when supporting users who operate across multiple locations or countries. The GEODNET Enterprise RTK portal provides a simple and powerful way to manage RTK services, create and control user accounts, monitor connection activity, manage security settings, and understand global coverage, all from one easy-to-use platform.
If you liked this video, please like and subscribe below. Bye!
GEODNET. Mind the sky.